So today we will start next chapter. What's next chapter? What's the name of the chapter? Trigonometry, which is new for you. Till now you don't know about this chapter anything. But if you will try to understand this chapter here, definitely able to get good marks in the exam. Easy chapter. First, I want to tell you what's the meaning of trigonometry. So, chapter name is what? What's the name of chapter? Trigonometry. What's spelling? It may be wrong. G-O-N-O-M-E-T-R-Y. This trigonometry. So we will read about this. To start before this chapter, what we need something. So first start try meaning 3. What's try meaning 3? This meaning measurement. Measurement. And what's the meaning of whose? Cone is triangle. So what's meaning of it? Here given. So trigonometry is what? Tri mean 3, gon meaning sides, and metron mean show this. What's the meaning of this third part? It's meaning sides. So we will measure here 3 sides, and 3 side figure, a closed figure having 3 sides is known as triangle. So here we will read about triangles and we will discuss its properties. Before starting this, we will start. So again, I will want to tell try mean 3, gon mean sides, and metry meaning measurements of 3 sides. So in this chapter, we will try to measure the 3 sides of the triangles. And triangle also a particular type of triangle, right angle triangles. What's right angle triangle? Before starting this chapter, we will discuss about this. Then we will take example. This is a right angle triangle. What's right angle triangles? ABC. All of you know this triangle contains 6 elements. How many elements? 6 elements. 3 sides plus 3 angles. What's 3 angles? So in this chapter we will discuss about the sides and their angles. One thing I want to tell you, this also you know, if we are having a right angle triangle, so hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is saying Pythagoras theorem. Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. And what's the converse of this? Its meaning is this: AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. And what's the converse of it? Converse of Pythagoras is what? Converse of Pythagoras is saying, if in a triangle, square of one side is equal to the square of sum of 2 sides, then the angle opposite to that side is right angle. And that is known as hypotenuse. Understood? So what we can say about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the opposite of the right angle. Opposite of the right angle triangle. So if it is a right angle triangle, so this is like this. Otherwise, you can use converse of Pythagoras theorem. Understood? So in starting, we will take some examples, you can say. Introduction of this chapter. Why we need trigonometry? What's the benefit of trigonometry? Where we have to use it? This I want to tell. So you have already studied about triangles. About triangles we know According to angle, three type of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangles. According to sides also three types of triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle is that triangles whose all sides are equal. Right angle triangle is if one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then that triangle is known as right angle triangles. Third one, first I tell scalene triangle, then I will tell isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is that triangle whose two sides are equal. Equilateral triangle is that triangle whose all sides are equal. And according to angle also three types of triangles. Acute angle triangle, if all the three angle of a triangle is what? More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, then that triangle is known as acute angle triangles. Or we can say if all the three angle of a triangle is what? Acute angle, then that triangle is known acute angle triangle. Example, equilateral triangle is an example of it. Second one, right angle triangle. If one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then that triangle is known as right angle triangle. Third angle is what? Third type is what of triangle according to angle? Obtuse. If one angle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, then that triangle is known as obtuse angle triangles. But here in trigonometry, this condition must, what type of triangle we need? Right angle triangle. What type of triangle we need? Right angle triangle. So situation given here, we will then think why we need trigonometry, where the use of it is trigonometry. So you have already studied about triangles and particular right triangles. This also I told you. What is Pythagoras theorem? What's the converse of Pythagoras theorem, and how can decide in a right angle triangle which one is the hypotenuse of this triangle? Can be imaged to be formed. For instance, suppose the student of school. So there is a school whose students gone where in Delhi? Where gone? In Delhi for trip or tour, you can say, or visiting Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar, you know, where is Qutub Minar? In Delhi. Now, if a student is looking at the top of the Minars, one student standing here and looking here, understood, on the top of the Qutub Minar, a right angle is imaged. So, this is Qutub Minar and student is standing here, looking here. So, this type of right angle formed, right angle triangle formed. Here is the eyes of this. One angle is formed. This angle is known as angle of elevation. Here not given, later on we will read. So one right angle triangle formed. This you can image. Understood? As shown in the figure, can you student find the height of Minar without measuring it? Is it possible that student or any other students can measure the height of this Qutub Minar without actually measuring it? If we don't know trigonometry, so not possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible. If possible, then what's need? So many, you can say, problem is there. Understood? It may be possible, able to find out height of this, to find the height of that student to reach here, which is not possible in normal position. So understood, first situation is this. You can think about the second situation. Suppose a girl is sitting on the balcony of her house. This is the house of that girl. Sitting here in the balcony, on the bank of a river, you understand? She is looking down at a flower pot placed on the stair of the temple. So this is the temple. Both are in opposite side of a river. Both are in the opposite side of a river. So here is a temple and here is a pot. This is the pot. Understood? Situated nearby on other bank of the river, a right triangle is formed. So this type of right triangle formed. What type of right angle form? This type of right angle. and this is right angle formed when girl's eyes are here and looking here. This angle formed, and this angle is known as the angle of depression. But here, not that's the matter. So right angle formed or not? So what's nearby other bank of the river? A right triangle is imagined to be made in this situation as shown. This, if you know the height at which the person is sitting, can you find the width of the river? If you know this height, then able to find out the width of the river without measuring it. So in normal condition not possible. But this possible with the help of trigonometry. Trigonometry already I told. Tri mean 3, understood. Gon means sides, and metro meaning measurement. Measurements of 3 sides. Understood? So this situation kept in your mind. And one more situation. Suppose a hot air balloon is flying in the air. This balloon girl is standing here, and this balloon is what's doing? Flying in the air. A girl happened to spot the balloon in the sky. Understood? And run to her mother. So by chance, this balloon is going in direction of air. So that girl's gone to her mother and tell her mother, rushes out of the house and look at the balloon. Now when the girls had spotted the balloon initially meaning in starting, spotted meaning lived. Not in his hands, you can say. It was at a point. In starting point is this formed. This formed. After some time, we are gone. Came at point B. This is point A. This is balloon. This also balloon. Same balloon. Like this. This angle is right angle. This angle is also right angle. Understood? When both the mother and daughter came out to sit, it had already traveled to another point B. Reached here. After some time, can you find the altitude? Altitude meaning height. Altitude of B from the ground, you have to find out this. Able to find out? No, we will able to find out with the help of trigonometry only. So 3 condition understood. Here is the use of it. In all the situation given above, the distance or height can be found by using some mathematical techniques. Understood? Like this height of the Qutb Minar, we have to find out, or distance, it's meaning width of the river we have to find out, and height of the balloon in third case we have to find out. So using some mathematical techniques which come under a branch of trigonometry, this we can find out by using trigonometry. And that already I told you what's the meaning of trigonometry. Trigonometry meaning tri mean 3, gon mean sides, and metra meaning measurements. So measurements of 3 sides is the meaning of trigonometry. So this I have told you. So in fact, trigonometry is the study of what you can say. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which study about what? Angles and the side of triangles. This already I told you. This is a triangle. So this angle is right angle. So this triangle contains 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. Its side are what? These are its side, A, B, C. So A, B, AC and CA are its side. CA or AC, both are right. Angle, which angle? Angle, this angle and this angle. So how can we write this angle? ABC. ABC is this angle. How much degree? 90 degree. Angle BAC is this angle. Angle ACB, this angle. So these 3 sides and these 3 angles, total 6 elements. So Trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which measuring what? Relationship between the three sides and three angle of a triangle. So written here, early show is the study of relationship between the side and the angle of a triangle. The earliest known work on trigonometry was recorded in Egypt. Starting work on trigonometry start where? In Egypt and Babylon. Early astronomers used to find out the distance of the stars. So saying like this, astronomers used to find out the height of a star, height of a stars and planets from the earth. Which technique? This technique, trigonometry. Even today, most of the technology, advanced method used in engineering and physics science are based on trigonometrical concept. Today you are using different concept, but that definitely based on trigonometry. So this is all about this, what's the use of trigonometry in your daily life. Understood? I told you what's the meaning of trigonometry. Tri mean three, gon means sides, and trigonometry, metry meaning measurements of three sides. Understood? Or you can say trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which study about what? Three sides and three angle of a triangle. Understood this? Or in this chapter, what we will do? In this chapter, we will study some ratio of the sides of the triangles. So look, one time we will start like this. So I want to tell first this. So this is a triangle. This is known as right angle triangle. This also I told you, what I told you, this is hypotenuse. Name given to it. But question is this, which one is the base and which one is the perpendicular? So that depend, so this is this A, B, C. If angle C is this, we are taking theta. So opposite to this what? Perpendicular, and this is base. What's base? So in this chapter, we will study some ratio of the side of right triangles with respect to acute angle. Which acute angle? This acute angle or this acute angle? Acute angle less than 90 degree, more than 0 degree. Called trigonometric ratio of the angle. We will restrict our discussion to only acute angle. So in this class meaning 10th class, we will study about the acute angles. However, these ratio can be extended to other angle also, other meaning right angle, obtuse angle. We will define the trigonometry ratio for the angle measure 0 and 90. We will calculate the trigonometry ratio for some specific angles. So we will find out some specific angle like this 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Understood? For the some specific angle, establish some advantage involving these ratio called trigonometric advantage. So ratio meaning you understand. Numerator divided by denominator, that's become ratio. Understood? So here also we will find out what's trigonometric ratios. What we will find out? Trigonometric ratio. Understand, I think? So come here, we will start now. I think you understood which one is the hypotenuse, which one is the base, which one is the perpendicular. In this section, you have to some right angle triangle image to be more different situation. Let us take a right angle triangle. We are having, this is a right angle triangle. So our topic is starting from here. Already I told you this angle is right angle opposite to this hypotenuse. This is how you can say our assumption also. So understood? And this angle is this. Angle is so opposite to this what? Perpendicular. And this side, this is known as base. What we know? Base. So then some mathematician said, so we will find out, we will play a game like this, we will find out the ratio. Whose ratio? So like this. So this is a right angle triangle. I told you how it is a base. Understood? If same right angle triangle This is right angle and this angle is B. We are taking, so opposite to this what? Hypotenuse, and opposite to this perpendicular, and this is base. Here also written side adjacent to the angle A. Adjacent meaning which is connected with angle A. Sides opposite to angle A. So angle A here taken. So here, which one is the adjacent side of B? This one. So this is base. And opposite to this is known as perpendicular of it. Understood? So write this. So this is another triangle taken. This I am taking here. What's its name? A, B, C. B is the right angle. I am saying this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. If angle is this. Understood? So I have written what I have written? P, then what? B. Understood? And then P. So try to understand trigonometric ratio. So what ratio possible? This is what? H. Ratio, I told you what's our ratio. Understood? So in trigonometry, what are ratio? Ratio of the sides. Ratio of the side. And this angle is A here given. So perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then any other possible? Base by hypotenuse and hypotenuse by base. This possible, not understood. Again I can repeat. So look here. So people saying P by H, its name is sin A given. What's given? Sin A. Its meaning, this also I want to sin A, meaning not sin multiply with A. This is wrong. This is saying sin of A. Understood? It's not a product, and without this sin and A, no meaning. What's no meaning? So what we will do? We will start to find out what ratio of the sides. Ratio of the sides. So three sides. What's three sides? How many ratio possible? So first we have taken perpendicular. What we have taken? Perpendicular. So perpendicular by base you can take. Perpendicular by height we have taken. This by this possible, and what's possible? This by this possible. Then B taking B by H possible. Any other possible? Yes, sir, other also possible. This also possible. H by B, H by P, and B by P. These possible. Only these three ratios, six ratios possible. Six ratio, how much? This is this. It's meaning 3 into 2. How much? 6 ratio possible. 6 possibilities are there. Either perpendicular divided by base, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, or base divided by hypotenuse. So they are playing a match. They have taken all ratios and then they have given names like this, your name, what it may be, X, Y, Z. So they put their name. This name starting from this P by H. So saying sin of A. Then P by B, they are saying cos of A. Then what saying? Cos of A. And then what saying? This one, P by H, P by B, P by B not. P by H and B by H also, this B by H. This saying, its name is cos A. Understood? P for perpendicular, H for hypotenuse. Then third one is P by B. This is saying tangent of A. They have recommended their name sin A, cos A, tangent A. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, its name is sin A. Base divided by hypotenuse, its name is cos A. Then perpendicular divided by base is a tangent A. And these are the reciprocal of it. These are its reciprocal. So H by B written, so H by B can say is equal to 1 by what's cos of A. H by P written, so this we can write 1 by P by H. So what is 1 by sin A written? And third one, here I can write. Third one is what? B by P written. B by P is equal to 1 by P by B. So this is 1 by tangent A written. So they have written these three names. And these three names, so sin, this is what's name written? This is they have written secant A. This is written as cosecant A. This is written as cotangent of A. So here written sin of A. Sin of A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which one is the perpendicular in this triangle? BC. So BC by what? AC. Cosine of angle A. Cos of A, what's B by H? Base is this B by H. How much? B is AB by AC. Understanding, getting? Tangent of A, P by B. P is the perpendicular, P by B is equal to what? BC by AB. Cosecant of A, this is 1 by of sin A. What is the secant? This is equal to 1 by cos of A. Cotangent, 1 by tangent. Understood? So in this way, I told you what I told you, Pythagoras theorem I told you, which is applicable on right angle triangles. Converse I told you how can decide this one is the base, this one is the height, and this one is the hypotenuse of it. One more things I want to tell. So here written that I told you, so the trigonometric ratio of an acute angle in right angle triangle express the relationship between the angle and length of its sides. So like this, sin of A is equal to BC by AC. So this is the angle and these are the sides. So what's here written? An acute angle in a right angle triangle express the relationship between the angle and the length of its sides. Next question, why do not you try to define the trigonometric ratio for angle C in the right angle triangle 8.5 C. See, look here. This is the angle C. Here possible or not possible? Possible. So how can I have taken? I will take, this is a triangle. Right angle is this. This is C, B, A. And this is hypotenuse. So which one is the base? If this type of situation given, able to find out base? No, we don't know. First, we have to define angle, which we are talking about, which one acute angle. If we are talking about this angle, it's meaning this is the base opposite to this perpendicular. And if we are talking about this angle, so opposite to this is perpendicular and this is base. So what sine of A? Sine of C, sorry. Again we know perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which one is the perpendicular? AB by AC. Cos of A. C, sorry, A not C. Base by hypotenuse. Which one is the base here? BC by AC. Understood? Angle C in the given right angle triangle. Remember, note that symbol sine A is used at that I already told you. Sine of the angle A. This we can read sine A, we can write sine of A, otherwise sine A. We cannot read like this sine into A. That's wrong. And separate we can write sine or we can write A. No meaning of it, no meaning of it, except this is alphabet and this is sine. Understood? If we written sine A, it's meaning there is a triangle. In that triangle, one angle is right angle and one angle is A. So then we can find out sine of A. So before this, look one time. This is a right angle triangle. What type of triangle? Right angle triangle. Same A, B, C. This triangle I have taken theta. This is right angle. Theta not A I have taken. That I will tell in the next part of it. I have to find out sine of A, cos of A, tangent of A. Then we have to find out secant of A. Secant of A directly I can write this is 1 by cos A. Cosecant of A, that is 1 by sine of A. And cotangent of A, one right directly 1 by tangent. In this, we need only two angles. If we know this, so what is this? So we are talking about angle A. So this is perpendicular. This is base and this is hypotenuse. So sine A, P by B, P by H, sorry. So it may be possible again create problem like this, P by H. But next question in our mind is this, how can we learn P by H coming, H by P coming? So using many tricks like this. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. Pandit be coming here. So again I can write. So first I will write this, then I will tell. So here cos of A, B by H. Here P by B. So what? PBP, H. So this table we can make like this. So how can we learn trick telling? Many tricks using in it. How many tricks? Many. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. This one. So you can write Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. First one is sine. This is cos. This is tangent. What may be angles? Choosing one more tricks. So which is, you can also make your tricks also. How can you learn this? Papa, bidi, pile, ha beta. But as usually using Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So here sine, here cosecant. What? Cosecant. Here cos, here secant, here tangent, here. You will not learn like this. So one more method. You can learn this sine theta equal to P by H and cos theta equal to B by H. This you can learn. So remaining tangent theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So P by H or B by H. So this we can write P by H into H by B. Cancel out P by B. This is what? 1 by sine of theta is equal to cosecant theta. 1 by cos of theta is equal to secant theta. And tan theta is equal to 1 by tangent theta equal to tan. So you have to learn like this. You have to learn like this. Able to understand? Yes or no? Now, what I will tell about these. This I told you, this is only topic coming in your minds that I told you. So I have written this. So read right here. What's P by B? P by B. P is what? BC by AB. What is this? Cos A? Base by hypotenuse. Which one is the base? AB. AB by AC. Here also what's coming? C coming. Tangent P by B. P perpendicular BC by AB. Then it's become inverse of it cos, so it's meaning AC by AB. Cosecant inverse of it, so it's meaning AC by BC. What is this? AB by BC. All 6 told you. And if we will make this angle C, then what happened? So this remain fixed. So angle is this. So its opposite side is this. This is perpendicular and this is piece. So what's sine C? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which one is the perpendicular? AB by AC. Cos of C, base by hypotenuse. Which one is the base? BC by AC. Tangent of C, B by P by B. Perpendicular by base. So AB by BC. Is there any relationship between them? This also directly we can see here. So is there any relationship? Yes. AB by AC anyway written. Look one time. AB by AC is equal to what? Cos of A. But here, what says this? Sin C. So we can say cos A equal to sin C. Then sin of A equal to cos of C. Directly I can say sin of A is what? BC by AC. And what is BC by AC here? And similarly, tangent of A is equal to what? Tangent of A is equal to cotangent of C. Tangent A what? Tangent is this BC by AB. So tan C is this. Cotangent is equal to 1 C is equal to 1 by tan C is equal to BC by. So these things you have to keep in your mind if you want to show trigonometries, this angle taking or this angle taking. You have to decide this is the base and this is the perpendicular. Hypotenuse remains same, no effect on it. And that I told you, how can you find out sine theta, cos theta if you are having a right angle triangle. This, and this angle is theta, ABC. So how can find out sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta? And if you are able to find out these remaining also, you will be able to find out. Got it? So this. So this also given. Now if you take a point P on the hypotenuse of AC, so we are having this triangle. What triangle? This. ABC we are having a triangle. This is a triangle. And draw PM. If we take a point P on hypotenuse, so this is a right angle triangle. And if we are taking this as an angle, so definitely this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. Right angle triangle ABC, draw PM perpendicular to AB. So we will draw what we will draw? PM. This PM. Which meaning this angle also right angle. Understood? And QN perpendicular to AB extend this point till this point. And drawing this QN perpendicular. And this also extend. And name of this point is Q, name of this point is N, B, what is this? This is M, this is P, this is C, this is K. How will a trigonometric ratio of angle be? So he or she want to say what are the trigonometric, if we are taking triangle this P AM, triangle CBM CBA, or we can write like this. He want to say if we can take triangle this, which triangle? This triangle, which triangle? APM, APM, or we take triangle ACB, or we will take triangle AQN. First we have taken triangle APM, then we have taken triangle ACB, then we have taken AQN. Understood? If we can find out sine of A, if we can find out sine of A, sine of A meaning this trigonometric ratio of this, so then perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we have to tell about this changed or remain same for this triangle, this triangle, this triangle. So to find out answer of this question, we have to solve more problems, more knowledge we need. This I think all of you know. This triangle, which triangle? Triangle APM is similar to triangle ACM. Why? This angle is common, this angle is right angle, so both right angle. So by AA30, these triangles are similar. Or we can say triangle APM is similar to triangle ACM, it's similar to triangle AQN. By same rule, angle similarity rules, which we have done in the chapter number 6. Yes or no? But here talking about these two triangles, PAM and CAB. PAM and CAB you can write, or you can write like this. So if these are this, so what's its meaning? Its meaning is this AP by AC, if you are taking these two triangles, equal to PM by CM is equal to AM by ACM, APM and ACB. What is this? So AM by AP, which is written here, AM by AB, AP by AC, MP by BC. So if two triangles are similar, so their corresponding side are in the same ratio. Next. So from this we can find out, if you can find out, you can take these triangle, one triangle is this. Which triangle? This triangle taken in triangle, what we can say? This triangle taken. So I'm making this here on the adding one page. So making triangle, so triangle are like this. So this is right angle triangle we have taken. Or what we can say, this is right angle. What we have taken, this taken. So its name is written, what's written? E. So here is this perpendicular. This is M. This M. This is B is right angle, C is right. And then what's doing? Extend it. Extend meaning like this. So if you will draw like this part we will extend. What we will do? Extend this part till here. Yes. Understood? And then what we can do? We will take this edge. So taken this triangle, so what we will take this? So we will draw perpendicular. What we will draw? Perpendicular. So this perpendicular we can draw. What's its name? Its name is PM. Understood? What's its name? C. Erase this. So So we have taken and we have to extend. What we have to extend? This. What we have to extend? This. So this is extend like this. And then what we have to do? We have to like this. And what we have to do? This. So here its name is C. What's its name? Its name is C. Its name Q and its name M. Look here. Same picture. Understood? So I'm saying like this triangle APM is similar to triangle. Which triangle? ACB. Triangle ACB and similar to triangle AQM. And if you can find out sine of A in this triangle, so what is this? This is PM by AP. And sine of A in this triangle is what? In triangle ACB, CB by AC. And if you are talking about this triangle, so sine of A is equal to Qn by AQ. Got or not? So look here. So after this, then return. MP by AP, MP by AP, sin A. BC by AC, sin A. BC by AC, sin A of this triangle. This is of this triangle. This just I want to tell. Understood? And similarly, if you can find out what you can find out, cos of A. Cos of A for which triangle? This triangle. This is a base and this is the hypotenuse. So it's meaning AM by AP. Talking about this triangle. And what about this? Cos of A, what's it's become? AB, this BC, base, this is actually base. AB by BC, AB by BC. Look one time. Same given. So this we have to find out. This show that the trigonometric ratio of angle PAM not differ those of the angle CAB. Its meaning is this. Either you can find out trigonometric ratio of this triangle or this triangle or this triangle. Its meaning one triangle is this, one triangle is this. Another triangle is this. This extent is still here. And here. Third one is this. Extent till here. Three triangle is this. So A angle remains same for all triangle. This perpendicular, if second triangle taking this perpendicular. So this one to say. So this show that the trigonometric ratio of angle A in PAM not differ from those of angle A in CAB. In the same way, you should check that value of sin A and also of other trigonometric ratio remains same in QAN. QAN meaning QAN that already I told you. Got this? From our observation, it is now clear that the value of the trigonometric ratio of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides of the triangles. If angle remain the same. Angle remain the same. Understood? This is not in your syllabus, but I can tell what I can tell for the sake of convenience, we can write. So we can write sin square A, cos square A in place of. So for our convenience, actual sin A square, this we can write sin square A. No problem. Cos A square we can write cos square A. That's no problem. But problem where? Problem is this. We cannot write sin inverse A. We cannot write sin inverse A. Sin inverse A, which is not given in our topic, what's its meaning? Its meaning is this. Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sine of A, and this we can write sine of A in this way. So its meaning saying like this, sine of A inverse is not equal to like this sine inverse A. This is wrong. If you want to write this in this form, so this is the right form. This want to tell in this. And it's saying sine inverse A. This is called sine inverse A, or this is called one reciprocal of cosecant A, or 1 by sine A. Understood? Sine inverse has a different meaning, which will be discussed in the higher classes after 11th, 10th. Now this topic, this is the base of this topic. Similarly, convention hold for the other trigonometric ratio also. Well, sometime Greek letter theta is also used to denote an angle. So already I told, in place A written, here sometime we are using theta, sometime we are using phi. These are the Greek letter. So here saying, you can write like this, sine A, its whole square, you can write like this, sine square A. But if you write it like this, sine A is equal to 1, sorry, sine inverse A. So that's wrong. And this is applicable for remaining trigonometric ratio also. And sometime we are using theta, sometimes we are taking phi also. Later on, so I think you understood this, all about this. Yes or no? So what we have defined? We have defined 6 trigonometric ratios. Which? Sine theta, if theta is angle, sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, and what? Cotangent theta. In right angle triangle, sine A equal to 1 by 3, then its meaning BC by AC equal to 1 by 3. So this is a triangle. One triangle is given to us. What's given? One triangle is given. So this is the triangle. This triangle is given. And this angle is 90 degree, this angle is A. And given sine of A equal to 1 by 3. What's its meaning? Its meaning is the sine of A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which one is the perpendicular? BC, opposite to it, BC by AC equal to 1 by 3. BC equal to AC by 1, 3, its meaning BC raised to AC, how much? 1 raised to 3. If BC equal to 1 and AC equal to 3. Understood? This is written, then I mean this. So what we can say, saying BC equal to K and this is 3K. So it's meaning this is K written and this is 3K. Then easily we can find out this side. Then easily we can find out this side by using what? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So AB. So what's perpendicular here? AB. AB is the base. So this is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. What's one perpendicular here? BC square plus AB square is equal to what? AC square. But we have to find out what we have to find. This we have to find out. This AB. So taking AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. What's your AC? 3K. And this is K square, 8K square. And this we can write like this. Understood? When we taking square root, so this is coming plus minus 2 under 2K. It implies this is equal to 2 under 2K. Why AB is not negative? AB is not negative. That's length is always positive, never negative. So then we can find out cos A. Similarly, we can find out other trigonometric ratio also. Its meaning is this: if one trigonometric ratio given, then with the help of that trigonometric ratio, we can find out remaining 5 trigonometric ratio also. Understood? Remark: since hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle, the value of sine A cos A is always less than 1. So you one time look. So this is I want to tell. This try to understand. Sine theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos perpendicular base by hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side. If you are having right angle triangle, so this side is the longest. So that's why saying sine theta and cos theta are always less than. Understood? Or in particular case it is equal to 1. So sometime it's become equal to 1. When it's become equal to, when sine become 90. That I will tell later on why if sine become 90, then y become perpendicular and hypotenuse are equal. Understood? So let us consider some examples. So this given. This is your example number 1. So before this example, I think you understand this all. What is this? So saying we will solve this example only, remaining we can solve in next lecture. So this is given solution, I can tell you. Later on I can tell one trick also by which easily you can find out what's sine, what's cos. So it's given tangent A. Given tangent A equal to 4 by 3. Its meaning acute angle is A. So this is a triangle. So whose this angle, talking about this angle, and this angle is 90 degree. 4 by A. So you know what you know. Tangent A is equal to what? Tangent A is equal to perpendicular by base. Tangent A equal to perpendicular by base. Which one perpendicular here? Here perpendicular is opposite to this. What's your BC? BC is your perpendicular. BC by AB. AB is the base. And this is equal to 4 by 3. So same case, BC ratio AB is how much ratio? 4 raised to 3. So we can say BC equal to 4K and this is equal to 3K. Find the other trigonometric ratio of the angle A. So to find out other trigonometric ratio, we need hypotenuse. We will use Pythagoras theorem. So we can say in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So which one hypotenuse? AC. AC equal to AC square, is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is what one? BC. BC equal to 4K. 4K whole square plus base AB 3K. 3K whole square. So what's it's become? AC square equal to 16K square plus 9K square. So what is AC square? Equal to 25K square. So AC equal to plus minus 5K. But AC equal to 5K plus 5K. Why? Because length is always positive. So this is 5K. Now you can find out Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So this is sine, this is cos, this is tangent. So sine find out. Sine of A, P by H. What's your P? BC by AC. What's your BC? 4K by 5K. Cancel 4 by 5. So sine, similarly we can find out cosecant A. Cosecant A is 1 by sine of A. So 1 by 4 by 5. It's 5 by 4. Yes or no? Now cos of A. Second one. This is cos of A. B by H. B by H. It's meaning AB by AC. So what's your AB? 3K by 5K. Cancel out 3 by 5. What is secant A? Secant A equal to 1 by cos A is equal to 5 by 3. And tangent A given, what's given? Tangent A equal to 4 by 3. So for tangent A equal to 1 by tangent A. So what's 3 by 4? Yes or no? And this question we will give like this also. This angle given and this is not given. Which one is not given? This. So then position changed. Hypotenuse remains same. Hypotenuse remains same, and this one become perpendicular, and this one become base. So it's my request to you, you can find out this question by taking C as a acute angle and find the value of all trigonometric ratios. All trigonometric ratios. Which one? Trigonometric meaning tangent C, cotangent C, sin C, cos C, secant C, and cosecant C. What's given? This given. What's given? This given. Or what we can say? We can say this become, so, or if you want to take clear values, so you can take tangent C equal to 3 by 4. Yes, able to solve, use this. What sign? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. This is sine, this is cos, this is tangent. And numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. That one is the inverse of its sine, cosecant. This is secant, this is cotangent. So try to understand this. We have taken one example, remaining example we can take in the next lecture. I told you each and everything. Understood? And this is first time topic in 10th class. Till here you have not read about it. So it's a starting base of it. Later on in +1, +2, so much use of trigonometry. Covering near about 40% syllabus of +1, +2. So important topic. If you understand here, you are able to solve in the next part of the life. And so much use in engineering and remaining part of the life also. So you understand how can we measure the height of stars. Astronomers measuring the height of the star by using trigonometry. And you also able to measure the height of Qutub Minar by using trigonometric ratios. Thank you all of you. Best of luck.